Join me as I try to predict what the big DJI announcement will be in 2025. There's been a lot of buzz in the tech community about a major update coming from DJI in 2025, and if the rumors are true, it could be a game changer for the drone industry. Competition in the drone market has been heating up, with brands like Autel and Skydio pushing the boundaries of what's possible with their advanced feature sets and sleek designs. DJI has long been the industry leader, but it's clear they're facing some stiff competition. One of the biggest challenges they're facing is the ongoing issue of flight restrictions and regulations, which can make it difficult for pilots to get the most out of their drones. Another challenge is the increasing demand for more advanced features and capabilities, which can be costly and time-consuming to develop. On top of that, there's the ever-present threat of counterfeit products and intellectual property theft, which can eat into DJI's profit margins. Despite these challenges, DJI has always been at the forefront of innovation, and I have no doubt they'll continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with their upcoming announcement. But the question is, what exactly will they announce? Will it be a new flagship drone with advanced sensors and autonomous capabilities? Or perhaps a significant upgrade to their Osmo line of gimbals and stabilizers? Whatever it is, you can be sure it'll be something that'll get the community talking. There are already some juicy rumors and leaks making the rounds, and I have to say, some of them are really intriguing. For example, there's been talk of a new drone with a built-in LiDAR sensor, which would allow for even more accurate obstacle avoidance and 3D mapping. Then there are the whispers of a new autonomous drone system that could revolutionize the way we think about drone photography and videography. Whatever it is, I think we can all agree that it's going to be big. One of the most exciting rumors I've heard has to do with a new type of drone propulsion system that DJI has been working on. Apparently, it uses advanced electromagnets to create a smooth, quiet, and incredibly efficient flight experience. If true, this could be a total game changer for the industry, opening up new possibilities for drone design and functionality. Of course, this is all just speculation at this point, but it's fun to dream, right? So what do you think DJI has up their sleeve for 2025? Could it be a new drone, a software update, or something entirely new and unexpected? Whatever it is, I'm sure it'll be an exciting ride, and I'll be right here with you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below with your predictions for the big DJI announcement. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech news and rumors. I'll see you in the next video.